Our second runner-up is
To present the award is Honorable Gerald Familiar and Honorable Mrs. Michelle Raganas. And of course, second runner-up for the Queen, May Ira Compañero, will turn over the crown for our second runner-up.
Our second runner-up is candidate number number 4.
From Purok Chicos. Congratulations. She will be crowned with our second runner-up, May Ira Compañero for Sinulog sa Bugho 2024. Dubitay lang dahil sa likod. That was the second runner-up, Purok Chicos.
Congratulations.
Moving on with our first runner-up to be presented by the SK Chairman and Ate Virginia Kababat.
And our second
runner-up is
our second runner-up
first runner-up.
Okay, first runner-up is Madam Virginia Apata.
She garnered 90.55. Our second runner-up, Miss Lorraine, is
candidate number number 2.
Purok Nangka. She will be crowned by our first runner-up, There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe. Mula kong nag-host. Sobrang nag-host o super kabiga pageant.
Yes,
Grabe
sir,
ka-hype ang
Vince.
crowd. You cannot believe that Bugho in ani ang ilang crowd. Are you excited? Madungan siya hurot akong tingog, Miss Lorraine. May ganun, wala na ko event tomorrow, ikaw.
Yes, na po ko yung event tomorrow. I will be hosting tomorrow Sinulog sa Tubli
Right.
2025.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Festival Queen 2025 is none other than candidate number 3.
She garnered 94.1%. Purok Samba. Grace Ann Penques. To present the award is Honorable Carl Angelo Cabasat and SK Chairman Honorable Daisy May Layase, along with Erica Eliot, our reigning Sinulog Festival Queen 2024.
Hear the beat of the drums and calling us near. This is the echo of fate we hold so dear. Through every step we celebrate our joyous songs across the land. Batubalani sa gugma.
Once again, congratulations, candidate number 3.
Alright, I would like to request our first runner-up, second runner-up, all the queens here, all the queens for the photo opportunity. Number 4, number 5, and number 1.
Once again, congratulations to our festival queens.
Alright.
And now up next will be our Sinulog sa Bugho Showdown. Winners.
Are you guys excited? Excited na bang tanan?
Mao na
Alright.
gini ang gihulat sa tanan.
Okay, candidate or winners, queens, let me go back to your places. Okay, forward to Miss Lorraine. Of course, before we formally proclaim our winners for tonight, allow me to extend our sincere thanks to Bugho Barangay officials headed by Honorable Carl Angelo Cabasag, councilors, the SKs, our honorable judges, to all the sponsors, our barangay captains, tabulators, the teachers, all the choreographers. We would like to pay tribute to all the choreographers for making it all possible. Choreographers of Puro Kaimito, please come and join us here for you to be recognized. Puro Kaimito! Choreographers, please come and join us here. Purok Kaimito, choreographers. Purok Nangka, choreographers. Purok Sambag, choreographers. Purok Chicos and Purok Tambis. Miss Jen, sila ang utok sa mga nahitabo karong gabi una. But before that, we would like also to award the certificates to our honorable judges. Ayaw sa maghawa ha.
And I request of our honorable captain to do the honor to be here with us as I will be reading the citation of the certificate.